Ever feel like your edits on the Nintendo Switch Lite are slower than a snail in peanut butter? Today, we're diving into the controversial topic of macros and whether they can actually give you a competitive edge when editing on your Switch Lite. First, let's clarify what we mean by macros. Essentially, they're programmed button combinations. Imagine pressing just one button to execute a complex edit sequence that normally requires multiple button presses. The potential speed increase is huge. Instead of manually pressing, say, down, then a, then right, then a again, a macro could do all that with a single button press. Now, here's the catch: the Nintendo Switch Lite doesn't natively support macros. This means you'd likely need third-party hardware or software to make this work. This may include mod chips, which will need to be installed into your device. And before you rush out to buy anything, consider the legality and ethics. Using macros could violate a game's terms of service, potentially leading to a ban. Check the rules of the game you are playing before deciding to use macros. So, while the idea of lightning-fast edits using macros on your Switch Lite is tempting, it's a complex issue with potential risks. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and decide if it's the right path for you.